It is Tuesday, July 30th, and the time is 8:36 p.m. Just a quick review of what's going on this week. It's been a lot going on already, so starting off with the YM, nothing really set up. YM has been quite choppy this week, waiting for the news tomorrow. My expectations are that the Fed will disappoint somehow with either a statement or not cutting rates, and the market will not take this well. And I do have a separate account with a core short position on the YM and the MYM and MES, and hopefully that will start making money tomorrow. MNQ, we had one set up to buy at B1. That worked out okay. Target would have been in here somewhere. I didn't take this one, I missed it completely, but I'm just busy with work and didn't even pay attention. But this would have been a nice long, taking some heat in here, then moved up to make a nice target. MES gave us one opportunity today right at 3 o'clock, or between 2 and 3 Central Time Zone, and it worked out okay with target in here. Missed this one as well. M2K maybe filled, maybe not. If filled, then it would have been back to the midpoint with a nice target. If not, then you're still holding a long limit in here. 10Y gave us a long in here that's moving up slowly, waiting for tomorrow's news. ZN didn't quite make it. Nothing with the gold, nothing with the 30-year. Oil long, it's up a little bit now, but taking some heat, not much. This would have been along here, that's just recent. Nothing at the 6B, long at the 6E, and there would have been okay. Target would have been, I'd say, here somewhere. Basically look at those levels in here. Canadian dollar, nothing. Swiss franc, nothing. Then wow, what happened here? This just happened now. So we're in a long in here. You would have added to it, and you would have been out here somewhere, and maybe even here. I am not trading this one, but that would have been a nice trade to pick up. I guess there's some news. Australian here, that have been a long in here, that's moving up now. I missed all of those. I have just had a busy week this week and have been able to watch the market much. This would have been a short in here and back to the midpoint, or possibly here. That's a short target or small target. Continued, so you would have flipped over to a long in here, adding down here, or just waiting. Wow, I guess something happened. This would have been a long, adding to it, and it's taking some heat now. Stop loss would be here somewhere, so it would have been stopped in here. Short, take profit, flip long, and hold. Nothing here but long in here. This is all happening now, and that I'm just seeing it for the first time, so Again, it must be news hitting on the Australian dollar, Fed news obviously, or central bank news. This would have been short in here, taking a little bit of heat. Now it's moving down. Target would be here somewhere, and everything back into the midpoint. This would not have been filled, but if you did, it would have been okay with the target in here. Then you have another chance with the same target. Here, this is a long right now. I'll leave this alone. We had a bad tick on this one, so it's messing things up. Didn't get high enough to take a short and low enough to take a long, but those would have been good. This would have been long in here. Target would be those two tops in here. You would have taken profit in here, you would have been filled, and again taken another long with the same target. Most probably get filled here in a little bit. Again, I didn't take anything. I didn't take any of this stuff, unfortunately. This would have been a long way to add to it, or take some profit in here. This is all happening as we speak. Short. I'll take profit in here somewhere. Out of everything, back to the mid. Not low enough to take a long. Nothing here. This would have been a long in here. Holding, waiting to add, or take some profit in here. And out of everything in here. This is a long. That would have, and this within the same bar would have made you target. Nothing. 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 Nothing with the corn. Nothing with the wheat. And soybeans that have been long, taking profit in here or in here, somewhere in here. Then you take it again and hold, take another profit in here. Been an active week. I missed a lot of it. I'm looking at the extreme edges with the alerts, waiting to that to hit, and work has just been busy, so I missed most of this price action this week. We'll wait for the news tomorrow, and I'll just show end of the week review with the news affecting those levels and see what happens there.